How to create Samsung account on iPhone. First of all, get to your Safari, and then from here on the search bar, simply search for Samsung.com. After searching for Samsung.com, we'll get to the official website of Samsung, from which all you need to do is tap on the profile icon right here. After doing that, here you'll get the option of create account, tap on that. And now in here, all you need to do is scroll down and then select I have read and agreed to all of the terms and conditions above, then tap on agree. Then in here, all you need to do is add down your email address first. After doing that, create yourself a strong password for your Samsung account. After doing that, for the confirmation, write down your password one more time. After confirming your password, write down your first name and your last name. Then the next thing that you have to do is set your birth date. After doing all of these, all you need to do is tap on next. After doing that here, you'll need to verify your account. So you will be getting an email from Samsung. All you need to do is simply open your Gmail inbox. In here, you can see this is your verification code. You need to simply copy this one. Go back and simply paste it right here. After doing that, tap on next. And then in here, you can see we have successfully created ourselves Samsung account. You can simply tap on done. And here you can see this is your Samsung account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel.